Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how we can write batch effects. So guys, instead of jumping straight into writing Apex class, first let's know what is a batch effects. So using normal Apex, if you know, we can process only a small amount of data because of self governor limits. And using batch effects, we can process large amount of data without hitting governor limits because our data is processed asynchronously. And a large amount of data is broken down into chunks, and those chunks are processed in separate transactions. So separate set of governor limits are applied into those to those transactions. There are some use cases where batch Apex can be used where no immediate response needed. For example, mass record updates, recalculations, data cleanup, and integration, etc. And this is the structure of the batch Apex class, where batch Apex class must implement database.batchable interface. Database.batchable interface has three methods which our batch class need to override, need to implement. So these are the three methods: start, execute, and finish. So when you write a batch class and execute it, so start and finish will be executed only once, and this execute method will be uh, executed based on how many chunks you have. Now let's see the live example. So we will create a batch Apex. So using this batch Apex, I will be updating contact field, and once my batch is finished, I will send email to the user. You see, I have written all three methods, implemented all three methods: start, execute, and finish. Because I am implementing interface, so all the method of the interface need to be implemented. And if you see on the top, we are implementing database.batchable interface. Now we will execute this batch. In the start method, we have written query where we are fetching contact, and in the execute method, we will be updating contact. Okay. Now let's see how many contact we have. So there are so many contacts. So I will be updating title field. Okay, you see there are different titles. And I will process, let's say I can process 2 records at a time. Okay, and this call will be asynchronous, and I will update title as CFO. And if you see, my all contact will not be updated in a single go because these calls are asynchronous. If you see, so in Apex job we can track our jobs. Okay, we can see all the transactions. So there are 7 batches. Okay, for this because there are 14 contacts. So in a chunks of 2, we have 14 divided by 2. Okay, so there will be 7 chunks. Okay. Now this is the batch class. So here we have passed constructor. Sorry, we have passed title in the constructor. Okay, and here we are updating title in the execute method, and we are sending mail when our Apex job is finished. So if you see, we have received the email once batch is completed. The same body which we set, we are getting. So guys, if you have any question or doubt, please write in comment box and subscribe to my channel to watch such videos. Thank you guys. Bye.